We are in Retima Hippo Pool. So this is the place where you can find these hugely animals which living the double life. They do live in a single place because they feed on different food. Why they can survive also without killing each other.
Hakuna matata.
Imara Kileleni, hakuna matata.
Hello, my name is Victor from Imara Kileleni. Right now we are in Retima Hippo Pool, which is found within the Serengeti National Park. The Retima Hippo Pool is having a highly massive number of hippos within the territorial ecosystem. So this is the place where you can find these hugely animals which living the double life. They have the life inside the water and life outside the water. So in the daytime, due to the sun time, they stay inside the water, but at evening moments they go to fetch some grasses outside terrestrial parts. So at this place you can find that the hippos and the crocodile, they staying in the single pool, which shows that is very incredible moment. So crocodile and the hippos, they do live in a single place because they feed on different food. The hippos, they feed on grasses, while crocodile, they feed on meat. So this give them a highly chances for them to survive in a single pool. So according to this part, why they can survive also without killing each other is because the nature of killing of the crocodile is to make suffocations, to make an animal don't get an oxygen or don't get air, so others they can suffocate and die. While the hippos, they can able not to live inside the water without air for 5 minutes, which make very tough there for the crocodile to enable them to kill them. Also, the time of living or staying inside the water. On daytime, crocodile go outside the water so as they can have sun, they can have sun and some insect can go there and reduce some all insects which are inside the crocodile. Well, nevertheless, the hippos is their good time for them because they cannot live on the sandpipe, so they go inside the water. They can able to live due to their kind of skin protection. Imara Kileleni, see you soon in Serengeti again. Asante sana, karibu.